Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City checking into the Golden Nugget tonight. Haven't stayed here in a couple of years. I've been here recently, but haven't really checked in and stayed here overnight in a couple of years. So let's check in and see what this room looks like. Come along with me. It's no secret with you guys, I find the Golden Nugget parking garage here in Atlantic City the worst in Atlantic City as far as, well, it's crumbling down. It seems like the cement's crumbling, there's exposed rebar, the paint's peeling off the ceiling, just really not in good shape. But I will tell you one thing, last time I was leaving this parking lot, they were working on it in the lower levels, so I guess it's a work in progress. Just like the lobby, last time I was here they were replacing all the carpet in the lobby, and a previous trip they were putting up brand new marble around the lobby as well. So looks like the Golden Nugget's a work in progress right now, and that's a good thing. Stay tuned because right now I'm going to show you around the room, but after we're done taking a look at the room, we're going to check out the pool here at the Golden Nugget as well. Renovated rooms are available here at the Golden Nugget. They're renovating all the rooms slowly. The room that I am in, the whole corridor that I am in, is not a renovated room or a corridor. I guess they're doing it floor at a time. But my next visit here, I do plan on spending or upgrading to a renovated room, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. Tonight we are in room 1626 with a bay view. Rooms here at the Golden Nugget either have a bay view or a city view. Again, this one is a bay view. They also have, of course, accessible rooms, handicap accessible rooms, as well as premier junior suites and premier marina suites. As soon as you walk in, there's a little catch-all tray here for things like keys and loose change and stuff like that. The room has a full-length mirror so you can check yourself out. Also a coffee maker and bottled water. Now the bottled water is $4 a bottle, so don't use those and just bring your own. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, why not subscribe if you haven't done so already? Just click on that little New York logo in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. And if you're enjoying this room tour and pool tour of the Golden Nugget, why not give the video a thumbs up and share it on your social media? That gets the video more views and the channel new subscribers. And if you'd like to help support the New York channel, why not become a member? It's only $2.99 a month. You get lots of perks, including exclusive videos that only members can see. It's becoming a popular option here on the channel. It's only $2.99 a month. And again, for that small price, you're getting several perks, including those exclusive videos and a shout out when you become a member. Speaking of which, a shout out to Patrick Z, who became the New York channel's newest member. Thanks for joining the membership, Patrick. And once again, thanks for supporting the channel. As with most hotel rooms here in Atlantic City, there's an empty refrigerator in the room for keeping your water cold, and if you want to pick up a sandwich or something while you're in town and enjoy it later in the evening here in the room, or perhaps the next day, well, the refrigerator is helpful for that. One thing I found odd about the coffee maker and the coffee packets they have here is the coffee packets weren't labeled decaf or regular, and I don't like drinking decaf in the morning. I need that little caffeine jolt when I wake up, and I did a quick Google search, and universally, orange means that the package is decaffeinated and green means caffeinated. I never knew that. The packets here were indeed orange and green, not labeled, but they were colored, and well, I figured it out. And to help you remember that, remember Senka coffee? Remember the label? It was orange. It was also decaffeinated. So that orange-green rule goes way back, and it's universal. I'll tell you what, this room was not a renovated room, but it was in very good shape, and the electricity as far as outlets and charging stations and things like that were really good, and the workstation was very comfortable. which is something that I look forward to as far as editing videos and stuff. So the room really didn't need a renovation, but there's one coming for this room shortly. My room was comped tonight, and next time I check in here at the Golden Nugget, I will ask for an upgrade to the renovated room so I can show you guys what those look like. But as far as this room, it was clean, it was comfortable, I had a great night's sleep, the mattresses were comfortable, the pillows were comfortable. Again, no complaints here. The only complaint I have was a missing light bulb, and that's the only issue I could find with this room. I mentioned that my room was comped, and indeed it was, and I've been pretty lucky here at the Golden Nugget as far as my last several rounds of gambling here. I haven't recorded much, but I'm going to start recording my slot play here. Of course, I can't record my table play, but the comps have been really good out of Golden Nugget recently as far as, well, I'm getting 7 days a week, free comps 3 days a week. So that's going into the fall, and I think that's pretty cool. They're also sending me lots of comps for dinners and shows and things like that. So great hotel for comps and things like that. And of course, there's great restaurants here at the Golden Nugget as well. You can check those out on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. Lately I did, Dos Caminos here. I also did a video recently on the deck, which is now closed for the season, but one of my favorite hangouts here on the marina side of town. Vic and Anthony's also downstairs has a great happy hour. And again, the restaurant videos are available on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel, my other channel here on YouTube. Check it out. The bathroom here is small but functional. Everything was working fine and it was spotless, to tell you the truth. But there's only one sink, so if you're traveling with someone else, keep that in mind. On the vanity, there was one bar of soap and a small tube of body lotion. And in the shower, there's those large refillables for shampoo, conditioner, as well as body wash. Across the inlet there is a small town of Brigantine. I recently did a video there. It was a beach tailgate party that they hosted. It was the Eagles versus the Chiefs, and it was kind of like a Super Bowl rematch. And again, it was right on the beach. Great video if you want to check that out here on the New York channel. I'll also tell you, if you have a bay view room here at the Golden Nugget, you're going to wake up to the most beautiful sunrises around. Also from this view, you can see the United States Coast Guard, the State Marine Police, as well as Farley Marina. It's a state marina, also where the deck is located, one of the great places to party here at the Golden Nugget. Let's head down to the 6th floor and check out the pool here at the Golden Nugget. Take a break from the hot casino action with a dip in their sparkling pool located on the 6th floor rooftop. The seasonal H2O pool deck offers fun seekers a refreshing escape. Sleek, upscale furnishings in a vibrant red, orange, and yellow palette contrast with the breathtaking views of the Atlantic City skyline. Cabanas, daybeds, hot tubs, fire pits, conversation areas, and the adjacent H2O bar all come together to create your perfect summer oasis. And of course, the pool here at the Golden Nugget is seasonal. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the pool and room here at the Golden Nugget. Of course, the Golden Nugget will be covered in detail as far as the hotel and casino in another video, as well as the restaurant, so stay tuned. Don't forget, subscribe to the New York channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it on your social media, and become a member of the New York channel and help support it. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. I'll see you around the city.